In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Microsoft Edge flags. If Microsoft Edge has started acting a little strange after you experimented with hidden features, resetting the browser's flags is a quick way to get everything back to its default behavior. Flags are experimental settings tucked away for testing new features. They can be useful, but sometimes they cause glitches, performance hiccups, or unexpected changes. The good news is, you can reset them all at once, and it only takes a moment. First, open Microsoft Edge like you normally would. Make sure you've saved any work in your open tabs, especially if you're editing documents or filling out forms. We're going to restart the browser in a moment, and while Edge often restores your tabs, it's always better to be safe. Next, click into the address bar at the top and type Edge flags, then press Enter. This takes you to Edge's Experiments page. Here, you might see a long list of features set to default, enabled, or disabled. Don't worry about changing them one by one. We're going to reset everything in a single click. Look to the top right corner of the Flags page for the Reset All button. Go ahead and click it. This command returns every flag you may have altered back to its original default state. It does not erase your bookmarks, history, passwords, or extensions, and it doesn't sign you out of your browser profile. It simply restores the experimental settings so Edge behaves as it was designed to by default. After you click Reset All, a prompt will appear at the bottom of the screen with a button labeled Restart or Relaunch. Click that button to apply the changes. Edge will close and reopen. If you had multiple windows, they'll all be relaunched as part of this process. If your tabs don't automatically come back, you can reopen them from your browsing history once the browser is up again. When Edge restarts, your flags are now reset, and any odd behavior caused by experimental features should be gone. If you ever decide to try flags again, just remember to change one thing at a time and test, so it's easy to reverse if something doesn't feel right. And that's it. You opened Edge, went to Edge, Flags, clicked Reset All, and relaunched the browser to apply the changes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get Edge running smoothly again.